Hey Albert, hey track fans, welcome to track 93, and this is going to be a special track because it's the first time in Track Fans TV history we have taken the magnet out of a car to do some lap times or some laps and have some fun. So we're going to see what the difference is for the first time ever. So just to speed things up so we can race on the track quicker, and we'll show you where the magnet was. Here is the magnet, conveniently written on there, Civic. So we'll put that to the back there. The magnet would have been in here. You can possibly just make out it used to go in there. Oh, there you go, that's a good bit there. So I've popped it out. I had to take the engine out, take the wheels off, pop the magnet out, put it all back in, and then we'll do it up and we'll go and see what it's like for the first time ever in Track Fans history. We're going with no magnet. Where no magnet, well, has gone before. Well, people race with no magnet. That's a terrible thing to say. But anyway, so Paul, if you're listening to this, my old mate, here it comes. Magnet-free racing as you've always wanted from all of your comments. A few other track fans over the last month or two have asked, we got the magnets in when we've been doing the drifting. Well, Paul advised me just to have a quick go with the magnets, without the magnets, and see how it went. We are ready, track fans, before I went live. And I did, and I'm glad, because what we're going to do is firstly, we're going to test the magnets, and then I'm going to experiment with a little bit of weight, because you'll see what I mean when I start to drive. We've got these really nice kind of LED things. They stretch out and you can bend them and form them. They're quite good. And I think with the help, a little bit of help from our friend the gorilla, we'll get them just the tack in place and then we'll give it another go. So you ready? Let's go for it. Albert, come on, let's go. Hey Albert, hey track fans, we're back, we're trackside with the new, well not the new, but the Honda Civic is back, the Honda Civic BTCC car. Look, amazing livery, I love this car. It was the only choice to take the magnet out for the first ever time on Track Fans TV. So I mentioned I already had a turn just to see what it's like, and I think I need to add a bit of weight to it, but I'm going to show you what it looks like we just saw it. No magnet, no weight, box fresh. Here we go, let's drive. Oh, his wheel's spinning away. We've got to take it easy up there. We can't drive us. Whoa, the drift is immense with no magnet. What? We've got to take it easy here, Albert, because, well, it is a car, a mind of its own with no magnet. Whoa, this is serious stuff. What a drift and a kick. Incredible. But you might notice when I accelerate, it takes a little bit of time to get that grip to the track. Whether I need to true the tyres, I don't know. Whether I need to, someone said WD-40 them. Interesting. Well, we'll have a look at that maybe. But as it stands, it's doing all right. Oh, it's wheel spinning a bit. Wheel spinning there. Right, let's do this. Last lap, track fans. And Albert, we will take it back. He is spinning all over the place here. This is fantastic stuff. I highly recommend you popping the magnet out, actually. I've always tried to keep kept the magnet in, because when you're recording, you do need that little extra bit of help. But since we've got a bit of experience now, oh, I missed the lane change. Neil, I missed the lane change. Are we stuck? No, we got it on a massive burnout. This is good. We're going to get the lane change. Oh, he's spinning off. I think it's noodle time. Hang on. The noodle of happiness. Put the noodle away and drive on. Let's bring him round. Watch the drift here. Watch the drift. Oh, he missed the lane change. Okay, let's take it there. Right, let's go and put some weight in and see if that makes a difference. Come on, Albert. See you in a bit, track fans. Hey Albert, I'm back. Right, okay, so save us some time. I've already unscrewed it. So we've got the front of the car here, and we need to add some weight. So what I'm thinking, not that I've ever done this before, is maybe we could put some in here. We'll just hold it down to give this a little bit more contact and hopefully a bit more oomph around the track. So let's do it. Where's Gorilla? Gorilla, here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Right, bear with me, track fans. Trying it. So literally just a drop. Just, I don't know if you can see that. Literally just a drop. Why just a drop? Because this stuff sticks like you wouldn't believe. So while that's going a little bit tacky, because that's a good strategy, with these little rolls of lead weights, all I did, which I got off of a website called, well, don't know if I can say it, but it begins with A and ends in Mazon. So I basically took a length, I tore it off like that, and then I folded it over. Nice and easy, like that. There you go. So roughly, these pre-prepared ones, like on Blue Peter, should just drop in there. We'll see if this works, I don't know. We're, it's a school day today, track fans. So, right, I'm gonna pause it there, and then I'm gonna come back to it, track side, when it's ready to go, okay? See you in a bit, track fans. Hey Albert, hey track fans, we are back. So remember, just before we left the pit stop, we put two weights in just about here and here in the car. And I had a quick lap just before going live and falling on my face. And I noted that it was incredibly slidey at the back end like this, up the track. So I put two weights here and here just to hold it down. Exactly the same size length. Remember the bit of lead strip that I used and rolled up? I did the same for the back, the same size, so it's weighted. Then I had another go and kind of like was just sliding all over the place. So I remembered from the last tyre challenge where we did the BMW 125 series BTCC car, I'd tested the tyres on the other cars and they seem to fit. So we've got some new tyres as well. And it's all right, let's check it out. Are you ready? Let's drive! Whoa, straight up there into that corner. It's getting a lot of drift on there though. It's quite good fun, kicking it out everywhere. So I'll just settle down and drive the car now and get some drifts. There you go. I'm going to take it easy for a couple of laps just to get the feel for it again. Oh, a nice drift there. Nice. Come on, rescue yourself. Yes. Them new tyres, I tell you, they are making a difference here for the BTCC car. Honda Civic. Oh, a little bit of slide, a little bit of drift. Kicking it out. Cruising up here. Nice. Oh, the drift there. Will he make it? No magnet, a little bit of weight, and the car is driving nicely. I like it. I've got to take it easy round there because it's kind of in the middle of the table and really hard to get to without leaning over when you're filming. Oh, I'm kicking out all over the place here. Getting excited, aren't I? Thinking that, you know, I'm just going to take a bit of time, get used to the nice little bit of drift there. Get used to having no magnets. So, for the next track fans, Albert, I'm going to put a poll. Hang on, I've got an itchy ear. Oh, you couldn't make a story up on this. Sorry about this. We're going to make a poll up of what car do we want to see drive on the next track. Oh, nice slide to yes! On the next track, without a magnet and a little bit tuned up. We might video it. Yes, look at that, getting through the chicanes nicely now. Getting a hang of it. tuned up and on the next track. I'll let you guys decide. Right then. So here we go on the Chicago drift circle. Oh, nice in the chicanes. Through Bacharach and powers out around the far side. Getting in there. Oh, nice. He's all over the place, but that's not bad. Last lap, track fans. Albert, last lap. Yes, lane change. We're in the other lane now. Let's see what we can do. We might have a couple more lanes. A couple more goes on this lane. Just see how it handles differently on the corner. Oh, Bentley's got him. Bentley's got him. Is he stuck? Is he going to make it? I think he is. Come on, track fans. Will him on. Come on, Albert. Yes, he's going to do it. He's the hero. Whoa, Gambon nearly scalped him. Big drift in the circle there. Big drift. Liking this lane. Should have gone in here before. Neil, only one lane change in this episode, my friend. I might put some more barriers down there. That's not having it on that corner. Watch when we come back round to Bentley Bend again. You see the drift on it. Oh, getting ahead of myself here. Right, here we go, Bentley. Whoa, he gets stuck in that little thing there. Let's investigate. Right, what is he getting stuck on? He's getting stuck on this gap. Right, we'll sort that out. Anyway, there you go, into the pit stop. Yeah, see you soon, Albert. Ta-da, track fans. Take care.